We insist on precision in every detail. Piece by piece, we craft connecting parts that are greater than the sum of their parts. Our products may be small and unassuming, but they are the backbone of large facilities. Today's modern global economy is based on complex supply chains where systems must work together seamlessly. Our connectors are the key to efficiency and safety in any situation involving electric motors, cable harnesses, or heating systems. It is our love for detail that makes us strong. We are curious and aim to get a little better every day. Hummel is the partner you can trust for innovative connection technology. Our high level of expertise and decades of experience in metals and plastic processing guarantee the creation of innovative solutions. We fulfill your individual requirements, even for use in the most demanding environments. Whether you need robust cable glands to protect electrical connections, precision-crafted circular connectors for industrial applications, or connection technology for water and heating systems in buildings, we enable solutions that match. Since 1948, Hummel has been synonymous with German engineering excellence. Our employees are passionate about innovation and are working hard to achieve our common goals. We are committed to meeting the highest customer requirements, no matter how demanding they are. Certifications and international approvals are a priority for us. As a global supplier, our solutions are used worldwide. We supply customers in the fields of mechanical engineering, automation, energy supply, mobility, and many other key sectors. Wherever smart and reliable connections are required, Hummel delivers. All of us at Hummel ensure that your projects are successfully realized with expertise, dedication, and a smile. Hummel, one team, many faces.